It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Friday, the 16th of October. I'm Michael Groff. Today should be day number 145 with a high temperature of 100 degrees or higher for the year. But is this the last day of triple-digit heat? Or do we have more to come? Well, we'll talk about that and everything else going on in the weather world. But first, yes, it's Photo Friday, and here's a submission from David, who took a picture of the glorious sunset from last night amidst the backdrop of a few high clouds. It is a perfect time of the year, isn't it? Even though it's still hot in the afternoons, once that sun goes down, it turns very pleasant very quickly. And if you want to get in a submission for Photo Friday, you can do so. groffshow@gmail.com is my email address. Groffshow, Groff show @gmail.com for Photo Friday. Thanks a lot. All right, as we check out the almanac from yesterday, 99 degrees the afternoon high, 69 the morning low, the normal high 89, the normal low 65. Outside now, here at 7:55 a.m., mostly sunny sky out there, sitting at 72 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 39, relative humidity 31%. The winds are calm, and the barometer is rising. Temperatures around the area this morning, another fairly pleasant, rather seasonal start to the day. Of course, we're at 55 at Fort McDowell, 57 Goldfield, 60 at Gilbert. Many spots in the mid-60s to low 70s. Here's the upper air look, and it's the same features on the board. We've got our big trough in the Central Plains diving southward, bringing another blast of cool fall air out that way. We'd love to see it here, but that's not going to happen. We're stuck with high pressure to the west and a weak upper low pinned underneath that well off the Baja coast. And that feature, that little upper low, is going to be hanging around for the next 7 to 10 days and might become a factor in our weather way down the road, as you'll see. Here's the watch warning map. Yes, winter weather issues across parts of Montana. We've got frost and freeze advisories for a good portion of the Plains states and the Midwest. Meanwhile, on the other side of the coin, summer hangs on out here in the West. Heat advisories for parts of California and very dry conditions continue. The convective outlook for today is very quiet across the nation. No severe weather expected. And speaking of quiet, doesn't get any more so than this. The precipitation outlook valid through next Friday morning from the WPC. No rain in the valley and nothing statewide or region-wide. This weather pattern, very persistent as it is, will hang on and we'll detail it as we dive into modeling. Here we go. The GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. Big trough in the east, huge ridge out here in the west, extending all the way up into Alaska. A little weak upper low pinned underneath that. That's a Rex block pattern. And a northwest flow aloft here. So down at the surface, sunny and hot again today. Highs 98 to 101, pretty close to a record high. Tonight, clear skies, and once the sun goes down, things start to cool off pretty quickly. Overnight lows mostly in the 60s. And then tomorrow, sunny, not quite as hot, highs in the mid to upper 90s. I guess conceivably we could still eke out another 100-degree day out of this. Not quite done with those yet. But then on Sunday, temperatures fall off another degree or so, mid to upper 90s. Mid-90s on Monday, mostly sunny skies continue. Then for the middle part of next week, occasional high clouds will come through. Mostly sunny to partly cloudy each day. Highs mid-90s on Tuesday, low to mid-90s on Wednesday and Thursday. And the main storm track stays well to the north of Arizona. Here's a week from today. This is Friday the 23rd. The more things change, the more they stay the same. Troughing to the east. And our Rex block continues here. That upper low is getting closer to the central California coast here. A west-southwest flow aloft would be in place if this is right. Maybe some high clouds, but still on the warm side. Highs 90, maybe the low 90s around here. This is Saturday the 24th, and that upper low still off the central or southern California coast. Nothing really changes around here. But look out there in the tropics, down around Cuba. The GFS insisting on a tropical system developing and intensifying down that way sometime later next week or the following weekend. And the National Hurricane Center has outlined a risk area of tropical development in the Southwest Caribbean as we go through the next 5 days or so. So we'll have to watch this area very carefully. We have seen this advertised for a while. Remember, we're not looking at specifics out here this far out, but we are looking at trends. And this is clearly a trend that has developed. And then as we go out 10 days, this is Sunday, the 25th, that upper low off the Southern California coast, maybe some clouds coming in here with that. It might start to draw in some moisture if this is correct. The ridge is still in place, big trough in the east, and look at that tropical cyclone moving up the east coast off the Carolinas now. And again, this is 10 days out. This is going to change between now and then. Nothing to get too excited about. Just something that is worth watching. Tropical season is not over with yet, not by a long shot. All right, precipitation off the European ensemble through the rest of the month. Not a whole lot to talk about here. Basically nothing, no realistic rain chances. And temperatures off the national blend of models, it has us at 101 today, and then that is it. No more triple digits. And once we get out there toward late October, we don't see highs over 100 degrees anymore, historically speaking. So this could be it today or maybe tomorrow, and then we're done with the 100-degree days for the year 2020. Knock on wood, fingers crossed, voodoo, whatever seance ritual you want to have to end this nightmare summer. All right, that'll do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video due back here on Monday morning. Updates before that if necessary. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever a brand new video is posted, you'll get the notice. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thanks so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. You guys be safe, stay cool and hydrated out there. Watch yourselves and each other around the pool. Have yourselves a great Friday and a wonderful weekend.